Welcome to Marsh Motorsports and Farming Channel. Today I am back on the farm where my corn's at, harvesting again. It's supposed to be, in the 20s all day, as a high. So I was able to take advantage of that and harvest some end rows or headland rows, whatever you want to call them. Excuse me there. And where the last couple of days it would have been a little too wet to get across there. So basically, it's one of those things where either I take them out today or I don't get them all. So like I say, I took advantage of the below freezing day here and drove across there and got them off. The reason that I waited until I came up to empty the grain tank rather than doing a actual harvest in action type video like the last two is because for some reason there's a buzzer going off in here. Auger conveyor specifically, and I'm thinking there's a sensor out because when I first saw that was going off, I went out and looked both the main return elevator and the tailings elevator. I opened the doors underneath and they're both moving like they should, so I'm thinking there's a sensor out. So this is the same truck where that got unloaded yesterday. That was able to fill at the time when I did the last video. Today's November 7th. The moisture on the load that got emptied yesterday came back at 29.8%, which is not good. This is not a high yielding crop to begin with. Ideally we like the moisture to be 15% or less, and then there's no drying involved that way. But most years, you hear about, low to mid 20s, which then you don't lose as many bushels then as you would at 30%. I guess a millennial farmer is about 2 hours away from me, slightly north but mostly west. I guess he took some pretty wet stuff out as well at first. And how farms work in western Wisconsin there, they took some fairly wet stuff out as well. So I guess I'm not the only one around with wetter than average corn this year. But even so, it's just not a good thing, when you have to have corn that wet. The buzzer that you're hearing just says that the unloading auger is on, which I do know, obviously. So Dad is gone right now with the second truck, so at some point today I'll have another truck to fill. So I thought you guys would rather, you know, just have a video of me traveling to the truck and unloading onto the truck, you know, rather than watching me, you know, harvest the corn off and hear that buzzer during the whole freaking video. So I mean, it's annoying enough for me to listen to that thing, and right, I know you guys just as much. So I figured rather than that, I'll give you this type of a video, you know, where you can tolerate, you know, the unloading auger buzzer a lot more than a buzzer that's probably going off because of a bad sensor. Because, like I say, everything I know of associated with that, buzzer is in working order. I mean, both of the elevators move, and obviously I'm getting corn to go into the. I'm getting corn to go into the grain hopper because I just unloaded some that was in there. So I don't know. I'll wrap up this video as I'm going back down to harvest more rows. I ran into that a little bit, you know, after the last video, you know, that same buzzer that went off on me getting this grain hopper full off, but there, you know, all I had to do was slow the speed down a hair, and then I quit buzzing on me. Or in this case, you know, nothing seems to work. So, and like I said, you know, that the functions are associated with that, you know, what would normally trip that buzzer are in perfect working order. So, you know, I think it's just a sensor that's either bad or pretty much ready to go out. So but I don't know if I'll get this completely done today or not. So there may still be another video yet. With harvesting, and you know, hopefully I have a little bit better luck than I did today, you know, getting the combine started. Yeah, I mean, this 9600 and up, you know, there's so much electrical crap involved nowadays with this equipment that you didn't necessarily have on things that were built prior to this. So like I say, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Or this video, I should say. It's not the same footage that I've been bringing you, but like I say, I'd rather bring that and give you that rather than having you listen to a buzzer throughout the whole video. So with that, I thank you guys for watching this video, and all my videos for that matter. I certainly do appreciate that. Be sure to hit the like button, and if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And then once you subscribe, then scroll over to the right and click on that bell, and then you'll get notified whenever a new video is posted, and then you won't miss any content that way. So be sure to follow Mark's Motorsports and Farming channel on Facebook as well. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you later.